Hello friends! Today, we will talk about new and profitable machines for business. Some equipment will surprise you greatly and may even inspire you to start your own automated business. Look at the device called MaxiPrinter. It simply stamps houses. Using concrete, the machine quickly creates strong walls. A great solution for the construction business. The machine from Yucheng forms delightful mochi with ice cream and juicy strawberries. Such a dessert is definitely worth a try. The machine is easy to operate and maintain. A roaster for roasting beans. Press the start button and get the magical aroma of Arabica. Excellent equipment for starting a coffee roasting business for cafes. In any warehouse or production facility, a reliable and even floor is important. Equipment from HTG eliminates cracks, grinds, and polishes the surface. A ready business for providing services for processing industrial floors and parking lots. A mini line will not only package and label the product, but also add a drop of aroma. A great idea for a non-food product manufacturer. The technology of building houses from a metal frame is quite popular. Such buildings are reliable and they are easy and quick to assemble. Profiles for assembly can be produced using a rolling mill from Kingreal. The machine from KX Machinery will produce fuel briquettes from household trash. The finished material serves as combustible fuel at cement and other factories. This equipment from DERUTU. The machine copes excellently with painting the exterior walls of high-rise buildings. Providing such a complex and expensive service can earn millions.
Friends, links to all the mentioned machines and even more profitable business ideas which are not on this channel can be found on our Telegram channel. Subscribe and be the first to learn about new ideas. The link is in the description.
Look at these folding houses. They are easily installed anywhere. Sell them as a garden house, shop, or temporary staff accommodation. To carry out demolition work on time, reliable special equipment is necessary. A remote-controlled machine from Interstate Sawing&Demolition will quickly and safely dismantle any object. The mini line from Rademaker will prepare pies with filling to taste. Such an assortment is in demand on the shelves of supermarkets and cafes. The robot from DERUTU smoothly plasters walls, preparing them for further work. The machine easily handles window and door openings. Such an assistant will allow working with large volumes. A carousel-type machine from HWA YIH will automatically feed the dough into the mold and make waffles. The worker only needs to twist the tube using the machine. The dessert can be complemented with jam or cream filling. Look at this smart onion planting line. With such precise planting, every bulb will sprout. The machine from Myro will quickly and qualitatively paint walls inside buildings. The equipment copes even with corners, easily works with window and door openings. With such a worker, the renovation mission is always feasible. This equipment is so versatile that it can prepare snacks for the consumer market as well as animal feed. Today's snacks, tomorrow dog food. Such equipment will definitely not be idle. An automatic machine from PLASTGrommet will perform the necessary work on cutting and finishing banners. The machine will make the necessary holes and insert grommets into them, a ready business for the production of advertising materials. This robot from DERUTU lays tiles perfectly without breaking a single product. Such an assistant is indispensable for cladding residential and office premises, works steadily and without a lunch break. Equipment from Selmi will prepare excellent chocolate desserts with almonds, peanuts, or hazelnuts. With such a machine, you can produce large volumes of expensive craft chocolate. Fiber cement boards are a demanded building material. They are used for cladding buildings and as wall panels. This mini line will produce thin and strong boards up to 10 millimeters thick. The printer from AntPrint will apply any picture on the surface of a cake using edible inks. Such a dessert will definitely please the birthday person. This portable mini machine from MKMartin will go where a regular excavator cannot. Its compactness and maneuverability make it indispensable for landscaping and landscape design work. A carousel-type machine from HWA YIH will prepare many egg rolls. Such a dish can be served at express food points, food courts, and as semi-finished products. The machine from GreenMax recycles styrofoam using hot melting. This allows significantly compressing the volume of raw materials and reducing the cost of its storage and transportation. With such equipment, you can start a business accepting secondary raw materials and reselling them. The machine from Yeshi will embroider a complex pattern on fabric. The pattern turns out smooth and even, without knots and skips. Excellent equipment for mini sewing workshops. The machine from Jagger can weave a thin mesh from wire. Such material is used for the production of high-quality sieves. The size of the sieve is adjusted according to the customer's request. An automated machine from Kaho will make ecclesiastical conical candles. Due to its small size, it can be easily placed in a workshop or a mini shop. The machine from SSS will knead the dough and make round, even tortillas. The finished product will find application in stores and catering points. What does good sleep depend on? Of course, from a quality mattress. Watch the production of mattresses, starting from foaming the base to sewing the covers. An example of the work of an automated mini line for the production of gypsum ceiling tiles. The finished product is a demanded building material widely used for finishing works. The line from Novatech washes, sorts, and packs potatoes. The washed product is always higher in price. The grids are ready for delivery to sales points. An example of the work of a plastering robot. The machine works neatly and precisely, leveling the wall, collecting excess putty. The machine can perform work in rooms with high ceilings. Such a carousel plate from HWA YIH allows preparing up to 140 pancakes per hour. Change the mold and prepare waffles. Ideal equipment for food courts and the production of semi-finished products. The modular block from Loop Clean with a robot inside will clean any surface. Quickly remove any contamination with a laser. Prepare the part for painting. The mini line from NJ allows for making unusual chocolate desserts. You can produce chocolate bombs for hot drinks as well as eggs with surprises. A 2-roller mill from Yucheng will quickly mix rubber. The finished product after rolling takes the form of a sheet. A profitable acquisition for workshops producing rubber products. A CNC machine from MC automatically recognizes the cutting line from the image. Works with different fabrics. An excellent solution for the production of sportswear. An example of the work of an automatic mini line from ZTR FM. The machine will make metal profiles for the lathing of walls and ceilings. The finished product can be sent directly to the customer or to a building materials store. The vertical printer from Yucheng will paint an image on any surface. The machine is suitable for both indoor and outdoor work. With such equipment, you can start a very profitable business. On this automated mini line from SSS, you can produce many strong nails. Without them, no construction or repair is possible, so such a product is always in demand. For pneumatic guns, drum nails are necessary. The machine from SSS at a speed of 2,200 nails per minute will wind them into coils. Such equipment is a profitable purchase for a mini workshop producing building materials. The mixer from Laska in just a few minutes will turn pieces of meat into minced meat. The finished product remains to be packed in trays and sent to stores or butcher shops. This carousel machine will apply screen printing to any product. Shoppers, t-shirts, dresses, choose a product based on demand. A ready business for printing on clothing. Look at how many airy donuts the machine from Myro can bake at once. Add powdered sugar, icing, or colored sprinkles on top. The finished product is necessary in cafes, restaurants, stores, or food courts. This powerful shrub cutter from MKMartin will not be stopped by thick bushes or trees. Using a tool that is mounted on a tractor, you can quickly clear any area. The tabletop machine from Cookmatic will prepare sand tartlets. Later, such a product is used as a base for making sweet or savory snacks. Such equipment from ATHI will help to qualitatively clean the surface of complex, small, and medium-sized metal blanks. With the mobile spray drying block from Paintline, paint anywhere. The rotary table inside the chamber allows processing all sides. An excellent solution for those engaged in repair work. Look at the work of a milling robot from Yucheng. A little work, and before us is a model of a huge dinosaur. Just add colors and the figure is ready. A CNC machine from AMOB will bend pipes and profiles. The finished product is in demand in the automotive industry as well as in the furniture manufacturing. The machine from Myro will finely clean fruits and vegetables. An excellent solution for healthy food restaurants or mini workshops producing fresh preparations for stores. A CNC mini line from Articon will quickly produce high-quality plastic window profiles. The machine will sand the corners and securely fasten the frames. A profitable purchase for many workshops producing plastic windows. Look at how appetizing siomai turn out on the mini line from Seni. Just steam them and add sauce to taste. An excellent dish for the menu of cafes, restaurants, or food courts. This automated CNC machine will quickly and neatly cut leather. Cutting of the skin is carried out from the back side, which allows preserving the fur almost untouched. Frame tents from CMAX are reliable and spacious. They can be used as temporary housing, a medical tent, or for other purposes. The mobile mini trencher from Iron Rhino will dig a trench where necessary. Such is controlled remotely. It quickly addresses various tasks that arise during work. An ideal assistant in the workshop. The mini crusher from Adamex Mazzini will quickly crush construction debris, allowing it to be reused in work as well as reduce transportation costs. The mini line from Santec will quickly and evenly cut foam blocks. Change the color and size depending on the demand. A 3-roller mill from Franley will produce offset inks of the required viscosity and color. The machine can also be used in the cosmetics and electronics industries. Look at the work of the meat grinder from Laska. It will effortlessly turn pork rinds into uniform minced meat. The machine excellently processes beef, pork, and chicken. Ideal equipment for a meat production workshop. This milling machine from Yucheng can give stone an elegant shape. In a short time, a lion's head appears before us. Such a product will decorate any interior or building facade. Look at how the mixer from Sadelman mixes leftover wafers in just a few seconds and prepares a creamy filling for a new product. This machine is a lifesaver for a confectionery or a bakery. The machine from BTech will apply an even layer of icing and colored sprinkles on cookies, chocolate candies, or desserts. Such a product will decorate the showcase of a cafe or store. We present an apparatus for wedge welding from Quero Tools. With such a machine, welding of banners, tents, boats, and geomembranes is carried out. The digital display records the welding parameters. The machine from Tesker will apply high-precision threading on metal blanks. Finished bolts, screws, and studs are widely used in various industries. Candies with a tangy, fizzy filling will leave no one indifferent. The mini line will produce many candies and package the finished product. Look at the weaving production of microfiber fabric for further manufacturing of towels. The finished product is in demand in hotels, spas, hospitals, and for home use. The stump grinder from Chipper will deal with a stump in 5 minutes and clear the site. Orders for such equipment can be found in any city. For the protection of a metal product from corrosion, galvanization is necessary. The machine from Shot Blaster will quickly and accurately apply a zinc coating on any blank. An example of the manufacture of metal profiles on rolling mills. The finished product is in demand in furniture manufacturing and construction works. The automatic mini line from NJ is designed for high-speed production of crumbs. The finished product is widely used in confectionaries and bakeries. Such a folding machine from Speed Machinery will neatly fold pharmaceutical instructions and inserts. A convenient and mobile trimmer from Primehort is indispensable when it is necessary to quickly trim many bushes of seedlings. An excellent solution for agriculture. The mini line from PSK will fry many tasty seeds in oil, which can be enjoyably cracked open. Just pack them in bright packets and send them off for sale. For grafting garden crops, clips are popular. They ensure excellent plant survival. Watch how this material is used by the robot. The mini line from Adansonia will produce many colorful candies. A great solution for a confectionery workshop. Look at this robot from Machinova. Without missing a single hole, it accurately transplants plants into pots. The finished product can be sent to stores or markets. In this small conveyor oven from Middleby Marshall, pizza is made faster and tastier. Perfectly suited for pizzerias, express food points, and mini workshops. The machine from Salvatore CNC at speeds up to 100 meters per minute will cut metal blanks. Useful equipment for production workshops. This mini machine from La Monfarina will make many delicious pancakes. Look at how large and thin they turn out. Just add the filling and the dish is ready. The robot from DERUTU is the perfect assistant on the construction site. Dirt is not a threat to it. It quickly prepares the room, even removing small stones from the floor. An example of the work of a pea cleaning line from Bruneux. The finished peas can be used for freezing, canning, or shipped fresh to stores. Polypropylene bags are in demand for packaging bulk materials, fertilizers, and various products. The mini line from Ototex will produce up to 50 bags per minute. A rope saw from Eurodema will help on the construction site, a ready business for providing sawing services during repair and construction work. An example of installing screw brackets using a robot from DERUTU. It does a great job and safely lays gutters and lines for power transmission. We present convenient conveyor systems with high throughput and smooth startup from Myro. An unlimited combination of lengths will allow the line to be installed, taking into account the terrain and remoteness. This machine from SSS will thinly roll the dough and cut it into even circles. The device is simply indispensable for the quick preparation of pastry dishes. We present an innovative optical electronic system for sorting bulk materials from Mogensen. The sensor classifies materials by color, brightness, shape, size, and even transparency. Such sorting will allow previously unworked material to be turned into a quality product. The scissor lift from YG Building Pro will easily lift people and loads to the required height. Ideal equipment for performing high-altitude work. The saw from YG Building Pro will easily cut through walls of concrete, brick, and stone. The ironing machine from Surfac will quickly and, most importantly, qualitatively iron bedding, blankets, and towels. The machine is simply necessary in laundries, hotels, and spas. Look at how quickly this machine from Abich separates fish from bones. Even pieces of filet are perfect for breading, preparing various dishes. This mini line will quickly package the ready fragrance soap. The finished product can be immediately shipped to stores or spas. An example of the manufacture of furniture accessories and door hinges made of brass and stainless steel from DERUTU. The machine from Seni will make cutlets cube of an even shape. The finished product in the form of semi-finished products is ready for sale in supermarkets. an excellent device for automatic cheese slicing from Wanli Sonic. Select the necessary thickness of the product and start work. Look at how even, smooth, and neat the pieces turn out.